I request you all to please be seated and not to leave the auditorium. Thank you.
नहीं लास्ट पेरेंट बात कर रहे हैं बस और कुछ नहीं. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ अभी आ रही हूँ. 2 minutes. हाँ हाँ 2 minutes.
Made in India. Really made in India. Agree? Yes. Now, namaste and a very good morning to one and all present here. I'm a bit nervous. But I really appreciate the confidence which the children had shown us. It's really worth appreciating. Yes? Yes. So, I feel honored to stand here on stage to express my views on today's school club activity. And I would love to thank our beloved Ms. Ruby Lahiri ma'am to give me this wonderful opportunity to come onto the stage, which is around 15 years ago, because I was in the college and I was on the stage that time, and now it's after 15 years, so I'm a bit nervous. Please cooperate. Okay. Now, what is it? So, it's regarding the school activity. Now, before that, I would like to ask a simple question to all the parents. Do you agree with me with the fact that if our children are given or are allowed to make their own choices in an environment where they have real choices and those choices pertain to the real life, learn far more efficiently than they do? Agree or not? Will they learn far more efficiently if they are given choice to, allowed to make choices from the real life? Yes? Yes. This is exactly what happens, or our Indian high school has designed and implemented a program called the School Activity Club, where there are a number of fun-filled and real choices from where our children can choose or make, a number of choices. Like you have the English public speaking, we all have seen the wonderful work. Yes? Then you have the young chef, the yummy coconut laddus which I ate just now. Right? Then you have the yoga, Surya Namaskar. Yes, I really require that. Then music, lovely song. Then you have the music, art and craft, dance. Yes, the list goes on. You name them, they have it. So it's really wonderful. Now, when I talk about this club, I would like to say one thing. This club improves and enhances 5 C's in our children. Let me tell you what these 5 C's are. Confidence. Agree? Yes? I want to hear from you, please. Yes. Concentration. Communication skills. Creativity. And the last, cheerfulness. Did you all enjoy that? Did you see any kind of fear in them? No, they were enjoying. They were just not dancing. They were just not, singing, but they were enjoying. That is what matters. This club is all about that. Children don't have to learn anything for a test. Oh my God, tomorrow is a test. We have to buy. No, they go to the club. They enjoy, and it's very economical. It's like otherwise parents have to pay 400 for once a week in a month, right? But this is throughout the years 400 dirhams and no transfer problem. I'm not giving an ad, huh? Please, I'm telling you the benefits of this club. Now, also this club, it also brings out the hidden talents or the skills or interests of a child, which even they don't know. Now, I'll tell you an example, an example of my son. Now, he is he's in grade 4 and he was in the dance club. In the month of April, we got a circular regarding the activity club, so school activity club, and there were a number of choices. Now, my son, he was not able to decide what to go for. I said, "Beta, English public speaking, okay, fine, it's good, but okay, I can train you for that little." Then young chef, okay, your wife will do cooking. Art and craft, you learn in the school. Why don't you go for dance? Now he jumped out of his place. He said, "Mama, me and dance," and he is a little shy child. So whenever my younger son is in grade 1, he plays on any music and start dancing. Not only even me. But whenever I used to call Ayush on the to dance with us, it was a complete no. I used to pull him, better come and dance. No, Mama, no. He's also shy nature. Now what? When I told dance, he said, Mama, no. I said, better try. If you don't like it, if you can't, leave it. He said, okay. Now, I can't forget that day, 22nd of April. It was his first class. He went to the dance club in the morning, came back from school, didn't even change his uniform. I tell you, I remember it. I was in the kitchen. He pulled me out of the kitchen. Mama played this song from the movie Happy Ending. I said, for what? I played on the music and he started dancing and showing me the steps. I tell you, I can never forget that moment. I was happy, surprised, puzzled, glad, what not. You can add all the adjectives you want, all the positive adjectives, right?